afternoon, everyone. It's Jeff from New York, and we're back in Atlantic City on the boardwalk. This is the northern end of the boardwalk, and today we're going to visit the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. The building was built in 1990, and it was built by Donald Trump as the Taj Mahal, and it opened to great fanfare in 1990, Donald Trump giving Michael Jackson a tour of the hotel and casino, as well as fireworks and huge fanfare on opening day. Unfortunately, the casino and hotel never became profitable, and it was closed on October 10th, 2016 because of a casino workers' walkout. Less than 2 years after the Taj Mahal closed, the Hard Rock opened as the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino on June 27, 2018. Ironically, the Hard Rock Cafe was one of the original restaurants in the Taj Mahal. I've been to many Hard Rock properties, and I have to say they did a great job converting this place. It's one of their finest properties as far as I'm concerned. There's also tons of rock and roll memorabilia here, and if you're a fan of rock and roll memorabilia, stay tuned because I'm going to do a video exclusively on the memorabilia in this building. It's quite extensive. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. On top of all the memorabilia, there are tons of places to eat and shop here at the Hard Rock. Some of the restaurants here include Council Oak Steaks and Seafood, Curo, Il Milano, the Hard Rock Cafe, of course. There's a Fresh Harvest Buffet, a UU Noodle Bar, as well as the Flavor Tour and Sugar Factory, and many, many more places. Some of the stores include a Bernie Robbins Jewelers, a Rock Shop, a Roctane Gas and Wash, Frowlinger's Saltwater Taffy, Wentworth Gallery, 24K, and of course a Hard Rock store. By the way, that Roctane is located outside of the Hard Rock, and it's a combination of a gas station, a car wash, and a convenience store, believe it or not. It's got 8 gas pumps, a large grab-and-go convenience store, and an automated car wash. The Roctane Gas and Wash is a Atlantic City gas station with a twist. It's located right outside the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino's parking garage, and it's more than a place to fill up on gas. You can get your fill of late-night snacks in Atlantic City at the convenience store, and it's open till midnight on weekdays and 2 a.m. on weekends, or you can even get your car washed on the way home. This open area is pretty impressive, not just the staircase leading up to the mezzanine, but all the video monitors in the opening playing videos, and the sound system, of course, in the Hard Rock is fantastic. But check out that LED guitar hanging from above. Notice the guitar pick marble flooring. On the right is the lobby bar. It's a great social area. It's a great place to sit, especially if you're waiting for someone, because it's got views of the hotel arrival, the lobby, and the casino. So if you're waiting for somebody, you can see them coming from just about every angle. It's open 24 hours, and during the evenings, it's got live entertainment. So it's a great spot to just hang out. Coming up ahead is bell services, the registration area, as well as the concierge desk. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. On the left is the Hard Rock store, and on the right again we have the lobby lounge. Speaking of the lobby lounge, it's not the only place to grab a drink here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. There's the Dyer nightclub, which is a very high-end celebrity DJ Vegas type nightclub with bottle service and everything else that you would expect from a place like that. There's the beach bar, which is located right on the beach. Of course, that's seasonal. There's a balcony bar, which is located right above the Hard Rock Cafe on the boardwalk. Kind of overlooks the boardwalk as well as the beach. And then there's the Whammy Bar, which features some classic rock and roll music and some great drinks. This area of the lobby is kind of like a salute to New Jersey recording artists from past as well as present. Artists such as Lauryn Hill, Bruce Springsteen, Southside Johnny and the Asbury Jukes, Frank Sinatra, Frankie Valli, Whitney Houston, Paul Simon, who I like, and I always thought was a native New Yorker, but he's from Newark, New Jersey. And of course, Bon Jovi. And don't forget, I will be coming out with a video very shortly, so stay tuned on this channel, of all the memorabilia in this wonderful building. By the way, I pay my own tribute to some New Jersey artists on the Shizzle clip on this video. For those of you who don't know what the Shizzle clip is, it's usually a link in the upper right-hand corner of my videos near the end, and it brings you to a YouTube video that I find personally very entertaining. Just kind of like a thumbs up, good job. It's usually for amateur performers, but this time, being that we're in this New Jersey room, the artists are somewhat more professional. They include Southside Johnny and the Asbury Jukes, Bruce Springsteen, Bon Jovi, and Little Steven in concert all together. So make sure you click on that Shizzle strip at the end of this video and all the Shizzle clips at the end of my videos. The food establishments here on the right are super casual. They're kind of like a grab and go, if you will, or you can grab and sit down. There's tables and chairs here as well. All kinds of food here, including this gelato place that has tons of selections. There's a bakery coming up and a ready-made sandwich shop. Just if you want to grab something real fast and satisfy your hunger when you're on the go. Actually, every time I walk past this area, I always find something new. There's always something here. There's tons of choices, and the prices are pretty inexpensive compared to other eating places here in the hotel. Back when this place was the Trump Taj Mahal, there were several shootings. The first one was in 2009, where a casino supervisor was shot by a gunman who said that all casinos cheat gamblers. That gunman is now in jail, and the supervisor has a park named after him right outside this hotel. In 2011, a couple was shot in the garage of this building during an apparent carjacking. The husband was shot dead, and the woman eventually recovered. In 2016, 3 teenagers attending a party in a hotel room on the 47th floor of the building were shot. 7 suspects were arrested in connection with the incident, which was later described as gang-related. So there's a hotel and casino a little further down south on the boardwalk here, which I'm going to review in a little bit. It's called the Wild Wild West, but when you think about it, this place has more of that reputation than the Wild Wild West actually has. And here's some more stores, including another Hard Rock store. And next door is a place called 24K, which I wasn't sure if it was high-end or not, but the name kind of gives it away, and so does the sign on the windows featuring Fendi and Gucci. And then there's Prada, Moschino, Dolce & Gabbana. Yeah, you're not going to find your $1.99 boardwalk flip-flops here. Here's some pretty cool rock art, but I think it's temporary. I think there's construction going on behind that wall, and it's the entrance, I believe, to one of the 2 arenas here at the property. Between the 2 arenas, they can seat more than 7,000 people. And I'm sure the Hard Rock has no problem getting A-list entertainers here at the property. Some NSYNC memorabilia. And now we're heading towards the main front entrance of the hotel and casino. And outside is a huge guitar, which we're going to check out right now. You've heard me say it before, photo opportunity. And before we leave today, just a little bit more memorabilia. We have some Beatles suits, a Rolls Royce from Elvis, a guitar that was owned by Prince, as well as one that was owned by Joe Walsh. And again, coming up on the New York channel, there will be another video just exclusively on this rock and roll memorabilia here at the Hard Rock in Atlantic City. It's going to be very extensive and informative, so make sure you subscribe and check out that video as soon as it's released. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.